Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ANCHEER Folding Electric Bicycle E-Bike Scooter. ANCHEER Folding Electric Bicycle E-Bike Scooter runs on cutting-edge technology, and that is the best thing about it. You must be surprised to know that ANCHEER an EB005 Dolphin electric bike, it is the reputable and leading icon of e-bikes. It is for years that this brand has dedicated itself to innovation. All of its electric bikes run and operate on modern cutting-edge technologies. Their bikes are made of high-quality materials. If you are eager to explore the outdoor life, then get hold of this bike and enjoy your time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GoPowerBike Foldaway Sport Commuter Bicycle. People have loved using this GoPowerBike Foldaway Sport Commuter Bicycle. This one is also one of the powerful electric bikes. It is composed of a high-capacity battery system. Besides, this bike has a customized motor. It is packed with a 40 Nm torque and offers to ride speed up to the range of 20 miles per hour. If you want to bike uphill over and around 18 degrees effortlessly, then you can do that as well. The presence of an improved system in this bike is only possible because of the 48V10 Li-ion lithium battery. This battery is the power system of this reviewed bike. The purpose of using this battery management system is to keep your battery protected from overcharging and overload. Moreover, this system will guarantee to save your battery from an extremely high temperature. On a per charge, you can enjoy up to 30 miles range. At number 3, we have the Jetson Bolt Folding E-Bike, ideal for commuting. Jetson Bolt Folding E-Bike is the best option to be used for commuting. Most noteworthy, this bike has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It can easily and seamlessly travel long distances up to the range of 15 miles. This bike can be ideally used for running errands, or if you wish to go for leisure rides. The presence of an aluminum alloy frame makes this bike lightweight. It is extremely sturdy and supports up to 250 pounds. Moreover, it is for everyday use that you can freely utilize it. Its USP is that you can hassle-free take it up and also downstairs. You are free to slide it right under your desk. You can even tuck it away at your home, as it has a collapsible handlebar. For the reason that all of these functions are possible, it is time to cruise and ride through city streets. You can climb over hills by using this exclusive bike. At number 2, we have the CLIENSY 26-inch folding e-bike, offer cycling modes. CLIENSY 26-inch folding e-bike offers 3 cycling modes. You can go for the e-bike mode if you want to enjoy a long traveling time. Also, you can select the bicycle mode for exercise. You can even combine and fuse the 3 modes. This bike lets you go farther and go faster. No matter you are a commuter, senior, or you are a casual rider or sports fan, this bike is exclusively made for you. You will be offered with 1-year warranty time and also friendly customer service. Thus, this bike is quiet, simple to use. It is one of the truly freedom machines. It can be counted as the amazing and best of all transportation solutions. If you are one of the green-minded people, then start using this bike. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJ Folding Bike. DJ Folding Bike is the much-loved e-bike version. It is one of the cost-effective e-bikes. It has satisfied lots of riders. Most probably, you will find this bike as the special of LL, as it has passed all of the highest safety standards and quality standards. This is the electric bike that is recognized and praised by industries and consumers. All of its bike frames, motor as well its battery pack, and charger abide by and meet respective quality standards. So, what you have decided? Try this bike. It is composed of 1000 W peak power motor. On the other hand, its top quality battery always manages to empower the user to get up on any of the long, steep hills. This bike is made by one of the reputable warm Canadian brands, for the reason that you will always experience excellent service and needed support. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.